In this video, I will show with you how to use Crocs promo code. So friends, if you want to use promo code, follow me in this video. Choose any product you want to buy. For example, this one. So choose this product if you want to buy this one. So for example, click this one lock. When you click this quick lock, as you can see here, friends, select your size from here. It's available. Click add to cart. This option, choose area. Choose all details here, click add to cart. And then you will see this click view checkout, go to checkout. After that, go to Google, search for Crocs promo code, click the first one here, website, copy this code, copy this promo code, click show code. As you can see here, when you copy this code, just wait for the checkout. From this checkout, just wait. You have different payments method. Choose your email address. Choose this email address, for example, this one. And then when you choose your email address, friends, make sure write your email address. Click next. After that, you will open shipping page. From this shipping page, write your all details. Go to your all details here. Click proceed checkout. Select the area, and then click proceed your payments here, for example. So friends, choose your this one. Proceed to checkout payments, and then when you click on proceed to checkout, you will see the discounts apply from here. Click apply at discounts. So just wait, add your card here, and then enter your promo codes, copy this one and paste here, and then you can start using. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another